Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. 20 volt cordless cooler warmer box from Parkside, the model PKB 20LIA2. Bare unit only, battery and charger not included, with a cooling capacity 20 degrees below ambient temperature, 24 liters capacity, 5 kilograms, and keep warm temperature about 65 degrees Celsius with a 3 years warranty. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Here we have the handle for carry on a red color, green and black, with red switches and buttons. Bottle opener, I just love that, so cool. You can open, you need to have the handle at this position and then you can open. Inside we have manuals and this separator grid. It looks like that. The separator grid goes here. Let me install that. So easy. Here we have the cooling unit at this area. Fits at the bottom here, and of course here it is the battery compartment. You can use it and with Parkside batteries, very convenient. I just love it. Feels very durable. Cooling elements, the heatsink, the fan, the power adjustment knob, the power supply selector switch, battery, car mode, or AC 220 volt. And of course you can choose hot or cold with 2 indicators for the cold and the hot. Very simple to use. Adjust the power and choose one of these functions. And of course here at the back we have the storage. If you want to use the cable for the cigarette lighter connector, 12 volt only, indicator here with 1 fuse. You can replace the fuse. Nice storage, 1.5 meters the length. Or if you want, you can use 220 volt. Very convenient. You can just plug it in. I can hear the fan. Nice. Adjusting. And it starts again. Blue indicator, cold mode. Red indicator, warm mode. Cold. And of course you can choose other power source. Again 220 volt. Now I would like to use this cooler with my battery. So let me unplug, and I will use with this battery, 8 ampere hours battery, fully charged, as we can see. So let me plug it in here, conveniently located at this position, very easy to unplug. Very tight, I like it. and it locks. So again, battery mode, maximum power, cold, is working. And I don't need the cable, so I can storage the cable 1.5 meters. And I have in this temperature to monitor the temperature. I will just wait, and when it goes at the desired temperature, I will start using some soft drinks or water and see how long it will take to drain the battery. Okay, now let's check. Oh, it is cold, near 15 degrees Celsius. So, to achieve better results and faster cooling time, I suggest putting soft drinks or water in the refrigerator first and then in the cordless cooler. Or you can just buy them cold and keep the temp as low with the cooler. Now inside we have 24 small bottles of water, 500 ml each of this bottle. So we have total 12 liters. And it is near in the top. So again, let's see how long it will take to drain the battery. Sorry, I can't close the lid. That means I need to remove two of these. Again. So, 2 liters minus, total 10 liters. Maximum power. And let's see how long it will take to drain the battery. After 3 hours and 20 minutes, the cooler is off. Let's open. 14.8 degrees Celsius. And it is very cold. I like it. You can use it for food, soft drinks, water, you name it. I really like the flexibility of being able to cool or warm items. Plus the cordless 20-volt battery system makes it easy to use almost anywhere. If you've already invested in the Parkside 20-volt battery platform, this is an obvious choice. It completely transforms day trips and long shifts on job sites. No more soggy sandwiches from melted ice or lukewarm drinks. The fact that it can switch to warmer mode makes it useful for winter work sites and summer beach dates alike. It's rugged, portable and reliable. Thanks for watching, stay powered up, refreshed, and I'll see you in the next one.